Hi, this is Richard Eimers. Today we're going to take a little trip around Little Redfish Lake. Little Redfish Lake, there's also a big Redfish Lake, but we'll do that another time because it's such a big lake. But I'm going to continue this series of dune lakes. And you might ask yourself, well, what's the big deal about dune lakes? And I can tell you, dune lakes exist in only 3 areas of the world: Walton County, USA, Madagascar, and Australia. And so it's a very special thing to have in our backyard. And I just thought I'd share it with you. Hope you enjoy this trip. So how was that trip? I hope you enjoyed it. It's a small lake, but it's just beautiful. Continue to come back and check me out. I will be adding more and more dune lake videos. We have about 12 of them. I've shot around 3 so far. Have a great day. Bye-bye.